that, Mick? What? Yeah.
Does the steering wheel work in this thing? Not steering!
Let's get back to equal justice. Increase fear and suspicion.
Repeat.
Let's get back to equal justice.
Repeat.
Let's get back to equal justice. Increase fear and suspicion.
Repeat.
Increase fear and suspicion. Just do it up.
Every encounter is going to be much more difficult. Repeat. Every encounter is going to be much more difficult. Repeat. Gentlemen, this is about combat. Repeat. Gentlemen, this is about combat.
Big record guy of Auroran. Best ham off the bone toasties. Ford Double C, Gladstone and Central Queensland's leaders in local. Listen anywhere you go on the free iHeartRadio app. Your news now.
Where you going, baby?
That car park.
I don't know where the fuck she's going.
She's going to hit that car. You hit that car.
Daddy, you came awful close. You should never give a dummy like that a license.
No, lady, you're not going to make it, eh? There's other ladies a bit worried about her car. She's trying to grin. Yeah, just give up, I think.
Collided with a ute on the Kennedy Highway south of Mareeba and died at the scene. Torrential rain in Auckland has forced airlines to cancel flights.
That one there.
A state of emergency has been
You allow women to drive cars here. It is ridiculous.
declared in the city after widespread flooding and landslips, which also saw Auckland Airport underwater. At least 10 flights from Brisbane and the Gold Coast to New Zealand have been scrapped. The partner of Brittany Higgins is expected to challenge a
10 flights to New Zealand have been scrapped.
Senator Linda Reynolds.
Floods.
Senator
Auckland Airport was closed.
legal action against David Shiraz over
Flooding.
2 tweets.
Don't look like it, yeah. Back off. You're the one that backed out, mate.
Milky and Carl are putting the bounce into breakfast with 60 yards Bunny Market. Register now at 60yard.com.au. She was handed over to, we'll call my grandparents, and she was given another birth certificate, her name.
Oh shit, we should have went left.
I'm saying. That's all, who pays the most money, right? That's all they've got. Well, it shouldn't be who pays the most money. It's like, there you go, there's a whatever it is, that's how much it is to advertise. It's not like the weather situation where people should roll up and go, okay, $600 a week, but I'd like to offer you $800 a week. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be that's how much it is. And that's
Fucking ringer.
So if they're actually choosing the fast food and everything else over gambling or alcohol or whatever over that.
In the right lane, just to be in the right lane.
So we'll find out.
Oh, shit!
What the fuck was that? Front door dangers or anything like that, just something local. Whoa, what's that guy doing?
Shit.
Yeah,
And they don't even know.
no.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
I don't know. I don't know.
It was fucking orange! It was orange, you fucking dumb. What? It was fucking orange.
What was he
Oh,
saying?
it was orange. It was orange. You fuck.
Yeah, okay. He's the one that ran the light
Yeah.
back there.
Dick in the Camry doing?
Ну, он место, может, ищет.
No.
Ну, ну,
Let's
ладно.
chuck a U-turn over a double line.
Julie here. He has just arrived back into Sydney, coming up to the news at 2. All in love with where you sleep at Domain. Right now, set up the Australian-made fully posture
Fucking idiot.
and Tincoil mattresses.
Anyway, Too many people don't understand no right turn.
Yeah, just have your bike underneath then.
Sorry?
Do you have your bike underneath? Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's it. Run a red light, Pelican.
Another truck.
He's gone over.
Yeah.
He's gone over. He's gone. He's hooked it around the corner and he's gone over.
Another truck gone over here by the look of it.
It's fresh too.
What's he got on?
Whatever it is, it's in the paddock.
Plastic bags or something. Bags or something.
Where's the truck? They've taken him away.
Oh, here they've shifted some of the bags up here.
Yeah. There you go. That's part of his load. Gravel.
I can't see what's in it.
Well, the bottom ones look like that. Those look like gravel.
Orangey brown dust went sort of like a big thing of fungus. Exactly.
So these are just the fruiting bodies of fungi in the soil. They're not dangerous. Right. It's just the fruiting body. So just knock off that fruiting body. They're popping up everywhere.
What are we doing here? We're chucking illegal U-turns.
Some of the unlawful activity that's going on there. I was very interested to see.